Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to make the most delicious, mouth-watering pot roast. Before I begin, if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe, like this video for me if it was helpful, and let's dive in. We're going to start by using 2 pounds of chuck roast beef. Make sure you pat it dry. You want a nice sear on this. Once you're done, you are going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on there. Give it a nice little rub, flip it over. Now we're going to season with onion powder, garlic powder, some celery salt. You can use regular salt if you don't have celery salt. Sprinkle it all over your pot roast, rub it in, flip it over, just like this. Alrighty. Once you have that nice and seasoned, we are going to pan sear it. All right, guys, I have my pressure cooker ready to go. It's nice and hot. You can also cook this in a Dutch pot, slow cooker. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. Now I'm going to add in my chuck roast right in. Time to flip it over. Ooh. It's looking good. You'll see how golden brown it is. We want that color. All this is flavor. So I'm going to remove it, set it aside for now. Ooh, beautiful. So now I'm going in with 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks. This is a small onion. Also, we have a tablespoon of minced garlic. You can add a little bit of oil if needed. Saute these for a little bit. Also, I have 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. This recipe actually calls for 2 tablespoons because I do not like tomato paste. I'm adding 1, okay? I'll leave everything down below for you guys. So I'm going to fry that to remove any raw tomato taste flavor. Now I'm going in with 1 cup of red wine, okay? 1 cup, just like this. Perfect. I'm going in with the chuck roast. Put it back in. We're going in with some red potatoes. That on the side. So we're going to use the beefy onion recipe soup dip mix. We're going to add a packet of that in. Pour that in just like this. This is another recipe mix. This is ranch seasoning. It will add so much flavor to your pot roast. So add that in. We're going in with beef cubes. I'm using 2. Oh, it's so hard to break these. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is hard to break. So we're just gonna add that in just like this. Oh, extremely hard. Next, we're going in with about 2 to 3 cups of beef broth. For more flavor, we're adding rosemary and thyme. You can add dried rosemary and thyme. Some bay leaves, peppercino. Add that in. Ooh, it's gonna be so good, y'all. And now give that a quick mix. We're going to cover this and allow it to simmer for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. All right, guys, we're going to allow this to simmer on medium low for about 1 hour to 2 hours, okay? I'll see you guys back here in 1.5 hours. All right, guys, it's been 1 hour and 30 minutes and my pot roast is done. Ooh, The aroma in here is to die for. It smells absolutely delish. Now I'm about to grab 2 forks to shred my chuck roast. Look how tender. And excuse the loud noise, literally falling apart. And this is exactly what you want. You want it to be falling, shredding, very effortless, as you can see. And the sauce is so saucy. If your sauce didn't reduce as much as possible, you can just pour some out and reduce it on the stove with some flour. But mine is looking so good. It smells so good. And now all you have to do is eat. Pretty much, it is ready for you to dive in. All right, guys, it's time for the taste test. I cannot wait. Let's do it. That is saucy. Oh yes, let's give it a try. Wow. This is so flavorful. This is a recipe you must try. Absolutely flavorful, very, very delicious, tender, so good. Hopefully you enjoyed today's recipe. Be sure to give this video a like if it was helpful. If you're going to try it, please let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I will see you all on the next delicious recipe. Bye, guys.